All right, we are now at the point of adding the actual fluid that I'm going to be using for the DistroCase 350P. This has been an awesome experience building in this thing. A lot of fun, a lot of just new and interesting things. Some pluses, some minuses. Cable management is memorable, but clean. I just have the one cable out here because that's for the pump. So as I obviously drain it and then fill it with the new fluid, I need the power cord for the pump outside. So huge shout out first off to Thermaltake for making this even possible. I first saw this in CES 2020 in Las Vegas. It was just immaculate. Like everybody was just circle around it. I was there with like Dare Bauer, Bearded Hardware, Mike from Thermaltake. So it was just a lot of fun seeing this and the fluid and different things that Thermaltake was doing. So this case has been in my mind since CES 2020. Additionally, HP is a big, huge supporter of this project because I reached out to them just asking, hey, do you have a GPU? Because we all know GPUs are nowhere to be found. And they said no, but we have the HP Omen 30L. So just take it, do maybe a review, and then use it for whatever project you need to do for that you have coming up. Thank you, HP. So the RTX 3080 is in here from the HP Omen 30L, as well as the i9 10900K. So just spectacular. Let's get into it. I'm rambling, but I definitely needed to thank my partners. So let's drain this and then fill it with the unreleased fluid by Thermaltake. So this is not on shelves yet, and I don't know if it will be, but so I'm the test dummy. All right, let's go. Well, I think at this point, I think it's safe to say this is the most gorgeous PC I have ever built. The Thermaltake DistroCase 350P, and I've named this particular PC Destro after, Destro from G.I. Joe. My God, this is going to be an incredible gaming PC. So an i9-10900K, RTX 3080, 32 gigs of 3600 megahertz RAM, 18 terabytes of storage space. So we have a 2 terabyte Western Digital Black NVMe drive, and then two 8 terabyte hard drives, they're Seagate Barracudas, as RAID 0. So that'll give me some capacity for obviously gaming, but this is also going to be my backup 4K video editing machine for my primary Threadripper machine, Deep Blue, actually does go down because I have a project planned for Deep Blue very shortly, redoing the whole water cooling setup and partnering with a couple of companies to really make this happen. But that's another video. So subscribe and like and all that stuff in order to see that next video series. But this Thermaltake, you have outdone yourself. This case is so much fun to build in, really allows for so much creativity. I didn't have to do much modifications to the case because I like to mod cases. I just had to drill right here just to enable the exact placement for where I wanted the fans, and really that was it. Other than that, I'm using some sleeve cables to allow for all 6 fans to neatly go to the back of the case, and then some double-sided tape, Velcro tape, for all the fan hubs. They're just kind of shoved up there. So it looks neat and clean, So overall, honestly, Thermaltake, pristine. These fittings, the Pacific Seas, they're my favorite fittings, period. Because the way that they're structured is you actually put part of the fitting where you're going to kind of mount your tubing. And so it's a precise measurement. There's other fittings that, you're kind of guessing and then cutting again, guessing, cutting again. No, this is just measure once and then cut once. It's so nice and easy. So overall, I don't even know what else to say, but just thank you Thermaltake. Thank you HP Omen for donating the RTX 3080 and the i9-10900K for this. Definitely Team Group for the Team T-Force RAM, and Thermaltake for just everything. Great partners. So if you guys have any questions on the Thermaltake DistroCase 350P, please, ask, hit me up on Twitter, on Instagram, definitely in the comments below. And I will just kind of see you guys in the next one. There's going to be a lot more content on TikTok, definitely on Instagram, definitely on Twitter. And I'm going to be overclocking this. So you're going to see this more in YouTube videos. This is not the last time. And this is actually my primary gaming PC now. So thanks again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.